Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. It is happy morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Doesn't feel like Tuesday, feels like Monday. Good morning, Timbo, Trading Ever After, NP, Daryl Bapty. Good morning, fellas. How we doing? How are we doing? Let's get it. It's good to be back. Man, I tell you what, I do like I used to love long weekends. I still do, but it's just a little different. When you have to wait an extra day before you can get to trading again. Hey, clock. Thank you. Clock. We got the clock. There we go. All right. What's up, fellas? Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, Jack Wiley. Nathan, good morning. Neo, good morning. How are we doing, folks? How are we doing? All right, market is open. Market is open. Let's see what she wants to do. We did submit for that payout on, I think it was Sunday afternoon. So 21,500 currently pending. Lots of breathing, lots of relaxing currently. All right, looks like we're going lower down to the 460s. Let's see if we take out this 450 area. The low of the overnight session is 445, so let's see what the market wants to do. Kind of feels like this might want to go lower. And there she rips down below the 445s. Let's see if we continue just going down. We have the session low of the yesterday's short session on down. We are at 370. Let's see. Definitely just going to watch this. Be a observer. See if we get any bounce here. Hey, Matt. Good morning. Good to see you. Hopefully everything's going all right. Yeah, I definitely feel pretty good about hitting 100K, but I'm really hoping I can hit that 100K this payout period. So we have, what is it? We have this account. We have these three accounts that we can still get a payout from. And then obviously this streaming account right here. So I'm only $500 away on this account. We need another $500 on this account. Then we can request another $2,750. And I think that will put us over. I think that'll put us over the 100K mark for the year. So we are definitely going to celebrate. Hey, good morning, Peter Schapp. Yeah, it's dumping. Had a little bit of a move higher, but now just, I don't know. We might be in for a red day. I really don't have a bias today. I mean, this is the daily chart. We had a nice bounce off the 100 EMA here. But we have really struggled to get above that 680 level. We almost made it again in the overnight session. I think we were like 650, but I don't know. Maybe we're in for a little bit deeper pullback, but I'm just going to wait and see and try to just trade what the market gives me and not be too biased one way or the other. If I've had a video request, James, no, I have not, but I kind of am expecting that might happen. I'm not going to be shocked if they request a video. If the YouTube channel cover you, no, I don't think so, because I guess I could adjust my cameras. One of the requirements, I think, is that they have to be able to see your mouse to make sure that it's you clicking the buttons. That's the biggest deal. Or the reason for the video requests is to verify that a third party isn't trading your accounts. So they have to see that you're actually the one clicking the mouse button. So I don't know. I am fully expecting that it's going to take 14 days for the approval to happen. And then I'm also expecting that I'm going to get a video request. And then if that doesn't happen, then it's fine. I don't really mind either way. I will definitely submit a video request for 21,000. I don't think that's too bad. All right, at the lows here, at the see if we take out the 400s. This is the 60-minute chart. I don't know. If we lose the 400s, I don't know. I could definitely see us going lower today. I could definitely see us going lower. But we shall see. Do they want the video request on the account requested, or can you do another account? You can do another account. It doesn't have to be the specific account that you requested on. It just has to be a funded account. It can't be an evaluation account. So if you have another, that's what I would do. If they ask for a video request, I'm going to just use a different funded account and show that instead of, there we go, through the 400s. Man, I kind of want to take a short. Really making a move lower here. Hey, good morning, Niels. Good morning. How we doing? Go ahead and trades, yeah. It's just gonna go straight down this morning. We are right at the session lows of yesterday. Session lows of yesterday were technically 370, but we are testing that right now. Let's see if she wants to bounce here. Man, I'm tempted. Bulls are putting up a battle here. Right at the 400s, trying to get a bounce here. Oh, here we go. Question is this going to stair step down, or are we just going to put in the V-shaped reversal? You never know with NQ. You never know. Yeah, James, it does feel like that. Has to go lower so it can rip people's face off on the way up. Trap them shorts. Yeah, it does seem like it. If the next one's green. Yeah, I hear you, Matty Matt. I hear you. Very curious if this now rips lower or not. It's looking heavy. Yeah, man, this looks... This looks like one of those moves. It wants to rip higher now. So tempted to go long here. I better not. Let's see right here. We're going to see how serious the bears are. If they're serious, they're going to flush this down through the 350s. If not, we're going to rip this. A lot of selling pressure. Man, I want to... Gosh. It looks like we're going lower, folks. See, we take out this 380. Definitely feels like we're going lower. And there she goes. 370s. All the way down through the 370s. Yeah, that's why you don't guess the reversal. I agree. Nice, 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 Matty Matt. You will not be requested for a video. How do you know? Are you Apex support, Cheeks Huge? If you are, then I need a... Yeah, Alpine got requested. Just because you're a YouTuber doesn't mean you won't get requested. Apex don't care. We're just bleeding lower. Man, it's tempting to go short. And here we go, 360s. This definitely is looking like it's just going to dump. It's just going to continue lower. All right, getting a bounce up to the 390s now. Man, I just don't know if I want to pull the trigger. It's trying to bounce. It's trying its hardest. There it goes. See, we get above the 400s. Man. Okay, now we're seeing a bounce. Taking a stab at this. I'm going to try to get low a day here. Come on, really need a rip here. Flush lower here. Flush it. Flush it. Come on. Big flush here. Come on, you can do it. No. That was not what I wanted to see. That was not it. Ouch. Oof. I'm going to regret not taking my profits there. Man. Maybe now? All right, I'm just going to kill it. I think we're going to rip it. Just not going to... I might get in again. Yeah, I just didn't like this wick here. Man, this is where we should have flushed, and technically we kind of trapped the shorts. That's why I cut it. We could still go lower though. If this 410, if we can't get above this 410, then I kind of like another short. Let's just wait and see. All right, here we are right at that 410. Let's see. Squeezing above now. 412s, 413, 415. All right, let's see if it can keep going. Are the bulls back or not? Doesn't look like it. Man, I might take another stab at it. Yeah, DA33, kind of waiting. If we fail the 420s right here and that fails, then I'm even more interested in a short. But the other thing we have to be careful of is this is kind of a double bottom from yesterday's session low. So we could see a little bit bigger bounce here, or this could be a reversal. You never know. NQ's always doing these V-shaped moves, and those are the ones I have to avoid in order to survive. All right. Oh. Man. I should have pulled the trigger there. Oh, you're right. There is news. There is news at 10 o'clock, if I remember right. Okay, yeah. ISM PMI, ISM manufacturing PMI is at 10 o'clock. Thank you, Go End Trades. Thank you. So, man, that would have been a nice short. Man. Feels bad. Did not take it. We have news in 8 minutes. Hey, UCLA Trades, good morning. 20 ticks, good morning. Which software gave you those IB low? 20 ticks. This is from Trade Devil Indicators. It's called the Initial Balance Indicator from Trade Devil Indicators website. Still have not put in a new low from the 360s here. Wow, big move higher now. Man, this... I don't want to be a part of this price action. Hey, good morning, Rad Poker. How we doing? Wow. Big move lower here. Okay, let's see if we make new lows right here. Before the news. Yep, there it goes. Down to the 350s. Oh, man, what a nice short that would have been. I would have gotten stopped out probably on my runner here on this wick. Very likely. All right, down through the 340s. Through the 340s. All right, we're just hanging out down here at the lows, 340. You got stopped out initially, but re-entered and hit too hard. Let's go, Citizen Zero. Yeah, sometimes it be like that. Sometimes you just got to re-enter. Yeah, UCLA trades. Yep, I was looking at the 240-minute support. We're right here at this kind of 320 from all the way back here. So, I mean, recently we've just kind of been trending lower a little bit the past week after putting on a really big move higher. We shall wait. But right here off the 340s. 340s don't hold. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. It's sad. It's a sad day. It's a sad day. uh I didn't even see it yet. All right, we're 2 minutes from the news. Be careful, be careful. Hey, Design Knob. Yeah, it's so terrible. Yeah, she really did. She really all of a sudden is all about that affiliate money. It's weird. She was always knocking it before, but now all of a sudden everything's cool. Very weird how that works. All right. 2 minutes till news. Obviously not looking to do anything until the news comes along. Hey, perfect play. Good morning. See if we get a rip up into the news. 10 o'clock. There she goes. Looks like it's going lower. She going lower. Down through the 340s. Down. See if we get through the 320s. Just hold on. There we go. 320s, 315s. This is definitely looking. We might have a red day, boys. Okay, let's. Oh, maybe not. Who knows? I know nothing. 3. Okay, now we're getting a little bit of a pump higher. I'm going to wait for this to settle down a little bit. We're at the 50 MA on the daily. Wow, we flushed through the 320s, and now we're all the way up to the 370s. Ooh, boys, this looks like it. I mean, this could be a trap for the shorts here, so. Very interesting indeed. This is looking bullish. Yeah, this is definitely looking like it wants to go higher. Oh, I'm nervous, guys. Guys, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous, and I shouldn't talk about this, but so this is the account. I've been scalping it 22 ticks at a time. We are now 100. We're $96 away from securing another payout. We all know what that means. When it's that close, it's going to be the hardest trade. Oh man, I missed it. I missed it. Wow. Let's go, Matty Matt. Let's go. That's awesome, Matty Matt. Now, the walk away and wait for tomorrow and just follow your plan, follow your rules the rest of the week. You can do this, Matt. You can do this. No trading ever after. Wow, I mean, this wick here, this move, it sure looked like the bulls were want to make a push and just immediately sold off. Boof. What time did I start trading the other accounts? You mean like what day or what time this morning? These 3 accounts I actually traded last night. These are the 3 accounts I traded last night. This one, you can see right here are my entries. Right here was my first trade. Here was my second trade. Here was my third trade. But I need 22 ticks more. That's it. And that's always going to be the hardest one. You know it. Yeah, I know, Matty Matt. Don't focus even on that. Just focus on one day at a time. One day at a time and follow your rules. Follow and just one day at a time and be disciplined, Matt. You got this. You can do it. I know you can do it. You've done it in the past, Matt. You've done it in the past. I know you can do it. Just remember, we just need to avoid those big red days. I know you know this. Requested 18K and Apex asked for a video. Yeah, I'm not surprised, Trader JX. I'm fully expecting I'll be asked for a video as well. So I'm just kind of accepted the fact, and we'll do the video and get approved and move on with our life. It's really not that bad. It's really not that bad. All right, let's see if we keep going lower. We are just continuing to go all the way down to the 328, 330s again. Wow. And we just continue lower. All right, 320s. It just looks like it's gonna make new lows here all now. You need to show yourself and the mouse and your screen somehow like synced so that the main reason for the videos is just to make sure it's actually you trading the accounts. They have a lot of third-party people that are trading accounts for other people. Anyone experiencing lag? I have not experienced lag this morning. Okay, here we go. Oh, we did make new lows. Barely. Barely. See. And there's the rip higher. Hmm. All right, are we going to keep going higher here or not? Jeez. Man, I want to. Should just trade this top of this channel here and short the top of this channel. We're in a very obvious downtrend. It's easier said than done. Easier said than done. We're just waiting. Come on, market. I don't know why I'm. Ugh. I think kind of waiting for that V-shaped reversal move, and I got to be very careful. When I do that, I get myself in trouble. All right, here we go. Are we going to make new lows? She ripping lower. You're going to go take a shower. Price action making you feel dirty. Okay, here we go. 310s. Are we going to rip through it? Hey, we made new lows down to the 300s and ripping it lower. Let's see. See if is it just going to keep going lower today? We are down to the 300s. I mean, the 150s are all the way down here. All right, down to the 290s. You got a pivot point right here at the 290s. You love catching falling knives. Hey, good luck. Hey, Diego. Good morning. Man, any of these little bounces, I should just short it, I guess. Man, I don't know what to do here. Keep being enticed to go long, but I know that's a bad idea. Just bleeding lower. Slow and steady lower. Man, oh man, ugh. There it goes. New lows, 285s. Or 287s, I guess. Alanin, I mean, I don't know. Usually I'm only, yeah, I guess that's just because I've seen so many of them. But trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. Wait, almighty, why are you confused? I thought I wouldn't get approved until I send the video. Okay, I got asked to send a proof video, but my payout still got approved before I sent it in. That is definitely not normal, almighty. That is not normal. I wonder if maybe you accidentally were asked to send it and I don't know. That's weird. But yeah, you should only need to do the videos once. Only once. Once you've done them once, then you're good. All right. Is this the pump? Do we trust the trend? Do we trust the trend? Gosh. I gotta see a little bit. Like a move up to the 340s, maybe. If you have to do a video, will you post a video you did for Apex so we can see what we need to show? Yeah, I can do that, NP. Yeah, I can do that. Mr. Pushup. Yeah, usually, so the 15th, usually it'll go out in 3 to 4 days. So by tomorrow, I guess they have an extra holiday because of Monday, a long weekend. We might go till Thursday, but should be tomorrow or Thursday. Um, all right, I'm gonna do it. I hope I don't regret this. No. And we get faked out here. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Like, this is where I hate it, because technically it's a terrible place for my stop. Just terrible. Hmm. I'm just, this is kind of stupid. Maybe I just need to kill this trade. I'm not a big fan. Okay, if we can get a come on. Give me a nice push lower right here. Don't do it. Don't you dare. I might kill this thing. But I think I just need to be patient here. Need to be patient. Need to be patient. Being patient. Oh. Gotta be kidding me. Now it's gonna wreck me. Man, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. Ay, ay, ay. We messed up, guys. I messed up. Should have just gotten out of that trade right here. Now I'm going to be really down big right off the rip. Yeah, there's no shot this is going to save me. Man. Hey, Trace TV, thank you. I was just... Oh, please don't do this. Oh my gosh, if it's... Oh my... Don't do this to me. This ain't funny, man. You have got to be kidding me. Yeah, I know, Benjamin. I know. That's why I hated that trade, and I should have just killed it. I should have just killed it. It's my own fault. I even said that I want to wait till like the 340s before I look for a short, and I got impatient and I entered early. The problem is when you enter early like this, technically my stop should have been like above, like, but there comes a point where your stop is just so big, it's hard to justify the trade then. But my trade really wasn't invalidated here. It really wasn't. And I just, at a certain point, I had to take the L. That's when you know it's a bad trade, because it's just a bad entry, and that's what happens. And now you get punished for it. And that's what makes it even worse, is you get punished for the loss, and you get punished because, you know, you get punished both ways, because now the price is going directly where you want it to go, but you were too impatient to wait. Oh, I hate that. Absolutely hate it. You got to be kidding me right now. Seriously so upset right now. That's weird, Tate. Is that Tradeovate or Rhythmic? Yeah, Benjamin, my execution was horrible. Look at this. Oh my, I'm that son of. You have got to be kidding me. Absolutely terrible. Absolutely terrible. Man, oh man, I'm so upset. Yeah, I know. The channel would have helped. I know. I know. I'm not. I know. So that is, oh, that is so frustrating. But it really is my own fault. That's why I'm more upset about it than normal, because that is my own My own fault. Just stupid. Absolutely stupid. I'm not sure what I'm more upset about, that I entered early or that I didn't just keep my stop above the EMA at the very least. Ah, I'm just so I actually, you know what? I need to go for a little breather. I need to go fill up my water bottle anyway. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're back. I still don't feel any better. Oh, man. Red Poker. I don't even want to watch that video. I can only imagine. Oh, man. And we keep going lower, huh? Well, isn't that a shocker? Of course we go lower because you stopped me out all the way up here at the 338s. Man, that is so warped. No, I have not, Benjamin. I had kind of stopped watching some of his videos. Some of his videos were a little bit rich. He asked me for feet vids. I guarantee you he got some feet vids. Oh, that's too funny. uh I cannot believe that that is so BS. Oh, jeez. All right, we're all the way down to the 230s here. We just keep going lower. Keep moving lower. Man, I'm so sad that I didn't just move my stop. Usually don't try to move my stop, but I should have had my stop above that EMA pretty clearly. And it would have made sense. Yeah, we got to regroup and refocus, regroup. All right, down through the 220s. Is she just going to keep going lower? Let's see. See if we just rip through the 220s here. And there she goes through the 220s, 215s, 212s. She ripping lower. Crazy, crazy, man. I thought we might get a bounce here at the 220s, but it doesn't look that way. This is interesting. We're right at that 100 EMA now. Well, actually, below it. And down to the 205s. There ain't no stopping this one. Straight rip lower down through the 200s. Wow. Just no stopping. Hey, Trader's Chick, good morning. How far would I go to get a payout? I mean, I don't know. Feet picks are definitely on the table. V-shaped bottom is incoming, says design. Yeah, might be. Or not. All right, 200s. There it is. 200s. Wow. Can't even get short here. I mean, there's just no way. No way I'm getting short down here. Even though it might be the right idea, it might be the right move, but and there it is, 195s, 194s. Wow. We're not getting a bounce, nothing. There we go, down to the 190s. I don't know what to do here. You're trading gold? Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. We had to take out the 15-minute low at the 140s. 15-minute low at the 140s. Oh, here. Yeah, we might. 140, 150s. Yeah. I guess we got 140. Definitely feels like it. It definitely feels like it. Crazy. Crazy rip lower. I mean, it hurts my soul every time I see that I got stopped out right here. That is so absolutely trash. All right, we're all the way down to the 180s. Man, this is some max pain for any longs. This is some pretty painful stuff. You can't even get a chance to get out. Hey, finally getting a little bit of a push higher. Finally getting a little bit of a green candle here. Oh, jeez. Unbelievable. Like, there's just no, like, the Bears are relentless this morning. Absolutely relentless. And here we go, 170s. You got to think we're going to come test that 140 level at this point. Like, there's no reason to think we won't. Oh, man. Maybe I should just jump in. We got to get a rip higher here, something to get in. I mean, I'm just not going in down here. Ain't happening. I know as soon as I go short here, we're going to rip higher and it's going to stop me out again. And then it's going to continue lower. So I'm not doing it. There she goes. New lows down to the 165s. I mean, this is crazy. Oh, what are you guys doing? Are you guys just shorting this and just hanging on? Man, I can't do it. I just can't do it, man. Yeah, the 140's got to be going. That's got to be where we're heading. It's got to be where we're going here. All right, give me some kind of, give me something that I can justify going short. I cannot justify going short without more of a pullback. I got to get more. Come on. I'm about to just go short. I'm sick and tired of here, but whoa. Just short it. Why worry? Arius, the reason I worry is because I have seen NQ do this and then rip it 100 points higher in about 3 minutes. That's why I worry, because I have seen it. I have been a witness. That's why I worry. All right, now we're getting a little bit of a rip here, so let's see if we can't. Maybe we need to get some kind of justification on going short. We just can't be shorting all the way down here at the bottom. Come on. Maybe up to the 200 level. Really? Yeah, it always goes lower than you think. It always goes higher than you think. Yep. I agree. See? I mean, it's... I don't know. I don't know, man. I do not know. Man, I'm about to just short this. Come on, 140s. Let's go. Come on, 140s. Come on. Give me those lows. Give me those 140s. Let's go. I'm holding, baby. I'm holding. Rip it. Flush it. Big flush here. Come on. Do not give it bounds. Don't do it. Come on. Do I want to get greedy here? Is it worth getting greedy over? Man, I really do think you were going to test that 140. Come on. Flush it. 160s. Come on. Flush it. Flush it. Come on. 150s. Let's go. 10 more points. Really? 10 points away. Now you're going to do this? Really? That's rude. What the? See, this is what I was afraid of. Oh my gosh. Okay, we might have to... You have got to be kidding me. I'm just going to have my stop here. And I guess if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. NQ's sole mission is to extract as much grief and anxiety as humanly possible. I don't disagree, and it's doing a great job today. This is deflating. Unbelievable. We're gonna get stopped out here. Unbelievable. Man, oh man. I cannot believe that I'm going to get stopped out here. Actually, I can believe it. I can believe it, actually. Come on, just do it already. I can tell this is just going to rip higher. I'm just gonna have to take this L and then look for, I don't know what. Man, should have just taken my profits there. Man, I'm so frustrated. Oh, that's so frustrating. Mm. I mean, if this candle, if we close above this EMA, then I guess we got to look for, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to keep trading if that's the case, because this is just going to be ugly, ugly. Ugly, ugly, man. Oh my gosh. This is actually going to rip it. Jeez. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to get a payout from this account. Oh. It definitely is looking like, I don't know. We just got to take her L, I guess. Ah, very deflating. You officially divorcing NQ? I might join you. I might file papers today. This ain't fun, man. Yeah, life is peachy. I agree. I agree. It's just frustrating when what really did it today was this trade right here. I mean, this trade right here is just really it really put us in a pickle. Literally shoots me in the tick and then rips right to my profit target. So deflating. But to be fair, I entered prematurely. I wasn't patient. So it's on me. It's on me. It's on me, but it's still frustrating. This is gonna rip higher. I can just feel it. Like we're back in the mode of grinding higher now instead of grinding lower. And I'm just totally on the wrong side of it. And there it is, stopped out again. Oh, now I'm not sure. What do we want to do? That's the question now. If I get top ticked here again, and now we rip lower, we're going to have problems. I'm sorry, but I'm not sure breathing and relaxing's on the table today. Oh my. Do not go lower now. I'm going to be so mad. I'm going to be so mad. Oh, I just don't know if I have another bullet in me. Yeah, John. Unbelievable. If this goes lower now. Hey, D Versatility. Good morning. How we doing? Orlando, good morning. Oh, I'm sorry, bud. Yeah, we might blow this account today. Feeling kind of cute. Might blow an account. Unbelievable. Oh, why do you blow the account? I do it on purpose. Yeah, I enjoy it. I get a lot of enjoyment out of it. That's why I do it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm very frustrated right now. Okay, let's look at the good news. I did manage to scalp. I did manage to scalp. We do have another account at Payout, but I'm not. Ah, why this happened? I have no idea. I mean, I know why now, but it's my own fault. It's my own fault. That's what's so frustrating. Yeah, that's true, John. Yeah, the account we still have here. We still have 3,500 in drawdown left in the account. I do kind of want to get some of it back, but I know if I keep trading it, it might. But we did this account. We do have it across the threshold now. This account, we now need $1,100 more. So there's a chance that we can get this account across this payout period as well. And probably not this one unless I'm going to keep trading this account today. But yeah, I was really hoping I could get this account to the payout as well. And it just, what's crazy? Look at this. Like here, I was just short. Like I was short on my other account as we were going higher, and I was just. But the difference was I just scalped on this one, and I think definitely part of my problem right here on this trade was I could have taken about a $600 trade right here and just taken my $600 in profit and do the scalp, but because I was already down, I was looking for a bigger move. And I've noticed that I do that, which it's just the multiple things, you know? What can you say? I guess in the grand scheme of things, so with another 2,750, we are officially, if, you know, if these accounts, or once these accounts get approved, we will be... Wait, did I do wrong math? What? Hang on. I think I did my math wrong. 76,000 plus 21,500 is 97,500. Not 91,000. Jeez, what an idiot. Math is hard. You know what? We're just going to update it to the 2750. So with this other account across the profit threshold now, we are officially over 100,000 in payouts. Officially, once this gets approved. Let's go. That does make my day. That does make me a little bit happy. Just a little bit. Of course, it's going lower now. There we go. Now this is correct. Let's go. Oh, I'll take it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. That is actually crazy if I think back. I was thinking back on my trading journey. If someone would have, you know what I saw here? I actually should show you guys this. I should show you, because I saw this the other day and I was just like, oh my God, I forgot that I even did this. Can I find it? Where is it? Don't tell me I deleted it. Why can I not find it? Oh, here it is. Nah, why I should have saved it. Dang it. But it was a video, or it was something about just like for those of you that have been along on the journey, I went a full year without a payout. That is how painful that was true pain. 1 year without a payout. And now since August, we've now eclipsed 100,000 in payouts for this year. This year, and the year isn't over yet. I'm hoping I can definitely get more. But you never know. I think in this business, you never take payouts for granted, and you never assume that they will continue. You just got to be very grateful and thankful for the payouts you get, and never take them for granted, I feel like, because market conditions can change and different things can change. How many accounts blown within the year? That's actually a good question. Let's see. Probably more than I think. Probably more than what I would think, but let me see if I can find out. So, yeah, I think close to 100 PA accounts, actually. That's kind of crazy. Close to 100 PA accounts. Yikes. That's more than I thought it would be, but that's what happens when you kind of get 15. Well, see, in the beginning of the year, which up until now, I've always gone through, basically get 50K accounts, get them to a payout, take out the 2,000, and then you're left with 500 in drawdown. And inevitably, I end up blowing it then, and then you start over again. That's kind of what sucks about it. I mean, it's still profitable, but it's also not really consistent, or not as consistent as I would like it to be, which with these 50K, with the 150K accounts, I do feel like you can have way better chance of holding on to those accounts for multiple payouts, because that's 100K. Let me do the math. I'm not good at math, but I'm not great at math, but I think that's closer to 9,000. Do you request max payout after you cross the threshold, Jack Wiley? Yes, I have. And that's why you kind of go through a lot of funded accounts, because you just go through it, and it kind of sucks, but at the same time, I'm always like, when it's time to make a withdrawal, it's just like, dude, I gotta take the money that I can get, because payout is the only thing that matters with trading prop firms. Having profitable days is great, but I mean, you gotta have payouts. You really do. Well, we're just going sideways here. I'm not sure what I need to, I don't know what I want to do here. But I'm pretty bummed about today's trading as on this account. I really had hopes and plans, but we still have 3,500 in drawdown left. Yeah, Nicholas, I mean, they're not the only one. I think market conditions lately have been difficult. How many evals did you blow before your first payout? Oh my gosh, Mitch Marvin. Well, in my first year, I think, oh man, somewhere on my tax, I can find that. I know it was over 400. I know it was over 400 before it was bad. When I started trading, my first year of trading, I did it wrong too. To clarify, I went about it the wrong way. I was one of those that jumped in and tried to get 20 accounts, and I was copy trading 20 accounts. And when you try to pass 20 accounts at a time and you're trading 20 funded accounts at a time, you can go through evals and funded accounts really quickly. And it is not, I would definitely not recommend that. And of course, this market now goes lower. I really do just think I need to walk. I just need to walk away. This is just not my day. How frustrating. What's so frustrating is I was right, but I was so wrong. I was right, but wrong. This trade here is what really, oh, that really gets me. Ugh. Sounds stressful. Yes, AO44. I mean, here was my problem. Part of my problem was like, and this, I hope this comes across the right way, but I thought, okay, my theory in the beginning of trading with prop firms, in the beginning, I thought if I throw enough money at it, I'll eventually get money out of it. And I mean, I have had whatever, a decent paying job where I could afford to spend quite a bit on evals and funded accounts. And the whole 40 or 20 accounts at a time, that really kind of got me. And I thought I could just throw more money at it to fix my problem. And that proved to be very, very wrong. What I needed was screen time, and more discipline. Screen time and discipline is what money can't buy. So I thought I could just throw more money at it, and eventually and really it just takes screen time and discipline, and you don't need 20 accounts to gain that. You just need one account at a time and not try to do the whole 20 accounts at a time thing. Is it sounds like the Chicago public school system. What was the breakthrough for me, Daryl? Honestly, I really do feel like screen time was a big part of it. Just more screen time, but then the biggest part was probably trading one account at a time. Like, I always go back to that. I always go back to once I started trading only one funded account at a time is when it changed for me. Like, that really was my turning point on my trading, because when I was copy trading, my biggest struggle was accepting losses, and that always got me. And I'd have these huge red days, and I still, I'm trading one account at a time. I still have big red days. Sometimes I still blow up. I blow funded accounts, but when I do, it's usually one account, and it's that I can handle. Like, I can handle that. Blowing 20 accounts at a time, I can't handle that. That gets to me. That really gets to me. So it is very attractive, and it sounds great to copy trade 20 accounts. It sounds great, and it looks great when you're winning and when you have profitable days. It's great, but when you take some big red days, man, it ain't fun. But wow, what a rip higher here. This makes me happy. This makes me happy that we did not go and make a new low. Ah. How much did I pray for prop firms in total? I know last year it was around 40,000. Last year alone, I spent about 40,000 in evals. That was not just with Apex. That was also with Take Profit. I spent money with quite a bit of different prop firms. But yeah, I remember when I went to do taxes and that number kind of jumped out at me. And it was a lot more than what I thought it was. It was a lot more than what I thought it was. So things can kind of just sneak up on you, if you know what I mean. In order to trade multiple accounts, one should first be profitable for a minimum of 2 months of payouts before adding additional accounts. Yeah, I agree. I agree, DL. I agree. Because if you're not profitable with one account, like I don't make guarantees a lot, but if you're not profitable with one account, I feel very confident in saying that I guarantee that you won't be profitable with 10 or 20 accounts. Hey, let's go, Trader JX. Hey, you're in the green. That's the key. But I did check the other week or so, and I'm definitely on pace for spending a lot less in prop firms this year than what I did last year. And this year, I'm actually getting payouts. Last year, I had all that expense with really nothing to show for it. Very deflating. Very deflating. But we kept grinding. We kept at it. But it's also why I always say I never fault someone or look down on someone if they walk away from trading. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that. But I get very stubborn. Ask my wife. I am a very stubborn human being. And when I go out and I want to do something and my goal is, hey, I'm going to do this. Sometimes I fail a lot, but I very seldom give up. Same with golfing right now. Right now, I'm really into golfing and improving my golf game. And my whole goal for next year golfing, my whole goal is to be a scratch golfer by next year this time. And I want to not only make the cut for the Amish Open, but I want to place in the top 20 in the Amish Open next year. That's my goal. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. It's going to be the comeback story of the year. Did I post my payout proof on my YouTube? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I posted in the community tabs and the community notes. I pasted the different screenshots of it hitting my bank account. I try to always do that for those that don't believe. Is trading my main source of income? I do have another source of income still. So, no, it is not. But it is definitely turning into a bigger portion of it. If I'm Amish, Blank Johnson? No, I used to be Amish. Actually, we're coming up on the anniversary of when we changed, when we left the Amish. It's coming up here in the next month. I think in a month from now, October 2nd is when we officially made the change. That was one of the more stressful and nerve-wracking days of my life is when we left the Amish. That was a very, very stressful time in our life. But I'm very thankful we did. Yeah. Okay, look at this rip lower. Wow. Oh man, I'm kind of over it. I'm kind of over today. I'm kind of over it. don't have a desire to even try to recover this account. I feel like if I'm going to keep trading, I'm just going to ruin it. And we got one account across the profit threshold. We can kind of take that as a win. The other two accounts, there's actually a chance I can get one more account across tomorrow. Or actually, I would have tomorrow and Thursday to still trade. The Amish Mafia was not liking me too much. No, they were not. But thankfully, I did have, like, it is a difficult, like, it's very difficult to explain to people that haven't gone through it. But we thankfully did have some people and some members of our family that were there for us and supported us in the journey. Very, very, very thankful for that. But there was how I'm doing overall, DL. I was showing I'm actually doing okay on the other accounts. The other account, like this account we now have above the profit threshold, and then these two accounts, this one we're about $1,000 off. Obviously, this one's going to be hard to get across yet, but see, these accounts, the difference is I was just scalping on these accounts. This account, I tried to get a bigger move, and bigger move, bigger stop, and yada, yada. But I do tend to do that when I take a loss. I try to get it back in, or I look for bigger profit targets, which can definitely hurt me today. But really just upset. See, what's so frustrating about a day like today? If I didn't look at this, if I wasn't trading today, and let's say I was golfing all day long, and then at 4 o'clock I come back and I look at this chart, I would look at this chart and be like, oh my gosh, I would have made so much money today. There were some perfect setups for me. Here was a setup. Here was a setup. Here was, like, I would have so many perfect setups, and I'd be like, oh, I would have made so much money today. And the reality is I lost 2,000. That is the reality of trading. And that is also why I try to never do that. Try to never do the look back on a day and be like, oh, I would have made so much money, because, and that's also why I don't listen to people that go through and they do their teaching when they already know the outcome of the market. Like when they're going through the previous day and telling people where their entries should have been is just pointless to me, because it's like anyone can do that. Anyone can do that. I can get my 10-year-old to tell you what to do when he has hindsight. You can get a 10-year-old to do that. I do think it's valuable to look midnight. I'm Matty Matt. Oh dear. Oh, if I have a German dialect? Yeah. So, sorry. I saw someone was asking me if I'm from German descent. Yeah, that would be. So the Amish language is kind of German. I probably have an accent. I know I do. And it's probably sounds kind of like a German accent. So that is where it comes from. But hey, I guess we just got to take our L. Man, I'm so sad about it, though. Man, oh man. Today coulda, shoulda, woulda been such a good day. Today would have totally been a different day if I just don't get stopped out here. Because it would have been a totally different kind of day. Do I speak German? Yeah, a little bit, but I don't think I speak German to the not like Germans would speak German. because the Amish language, the Dutch language, is kind of a knockoff from it, but not really like that. So, sprechen Sie Deutsch? You know, I can understand German way better than I can speak it. So it's not like true German that we speak, like the Amish dialect, the Amish language isn't true German. It's more, you know, it's just so different. It's hard to explain. I don't know that you can learn the actual Amish language anywhere. It's not like it's taught. It's not like it's in a book anywhere. You would have to actually have someone that is Amish teach you how to speak and understand it. All right, are we going to make new lows here? I am kind of curious. Talk to you in Amish? You guys won't understand. Hey, wie sind ihr? Wie zum geht das? Hey, ja, ich bin ein gut, du. Wie sind denn du? Ja, kann du mich verstehen? Ich figure nicht, dass dir any clue hin, was ich in Sauer bin. Did you guys understand that? That was me talking Dutch. That was me talking Dutch. You guys had no clue what I was saying. Watch your mouth. Too funny. Something. Okay, yeah. So one thing with the Dutch language is there is a lot of like English words that are mixed in and that we use a lot more. So like I know clue would be one. So it's hilarious. see, Black Coffee Trader, he understood every word I said. Yeah. Me and Black Coffee Trader, we could actually have a private conversation. I could just talk in Dutch, and he might be the only one in here that understands it. So if I want to only talk to Black Coffee Trader, I'll just speak Dutch, and you guys are really just, it's unfortunate. If I'm teaching Nutty 1 and Nutty 2 the Dutch, we do want them. It's hard, actually. It's harder than what I thought it would be. I do want them to learn it, and I definitely want them to understand it, but they definitely haven't adapted to it as much as what we thought they would. But they definitely understand it. When Apex wants their video, do it in Amish. Hey, I might just do that. That's actually not a terrible idea. That is not a bad idea. Use Google Translation. Yeah, you wouldn't. I don't think Google Translate would even. I don't think they would even know what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're going to strip butt naked and talk Dutch when we do the video. It's going to be a great time. They're going to have to go wash their eyes when they're done watching it. And the thing is, like, there's no one that can interpret it, because unless you actually have someone that used to be Amish to interpret it, you won't be able to know what they're saying. You should have a Dutch day when I only speak Dutch. Yeah, I know, DL. That's so true. And like we do, like me and my wife, we talk Dutch back and forth, like we do. But it's one of those things where like I find myself switching between English and Dutch a lot. I'll switch between it and I won't even really recognize that I'm doing it. No, it's not. It's not technically Dutch language. No, it's like I think the actual correct terminology for the language is Pennsylvania Dutch. I think that is the correct the correct terminology is Pennsylvania Dutch. Well, guys, I hate to do this, but I actually think I should just stop trading for the day. And we're just going to have to take this pretty big L. I'm just going to have to take the L on this one because we're at a point where if I keep trading this account and then all of a sudden I'm down 3,000 or something, it's not going to, I don't like it. I don't know. Matty Matt. But here's the thing. I made it so yesterday, by the way, guys, so yesterday, me, the wife, and the two kids, we went to, they went golfing with me. They went golfing with me yesterday. That was so much fun. Our Cody, which is our 3-year-old, sorry, I got distracted. But yeah, we had a lot of fun golfing. The 3-year-old, he was so into it. I mean, he was so into it. I wanted to show a picture. Why can I not find it? Hang on. There. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, we had a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. Oh, but part of the agreement was because my wife wanted me to actually, we were supposed to clean the garage yesterday, and I coaxed her into going golfing instead with the agreement that we will clean the garage today. So this afternoon I'll be cleaning the garage, which is not going to be exactly a great time. Our garage is an absolute nightmare right now. I mean, it's actually embarrassing. We barely have enough room to drive our car or drive the minivan into the garage right now. So we ordered some cabinets. We ordered some garage cabinets to help organize. And then we need to mount those cabinets on the walls, basically move everything out of the garage, clean everything. I mean, I'll be happy if I'm done by dark. If we're done by dark, I'll be happy. But I did make that commitment, so we do have to do that today. So I would much rather keep trading. I would much rather keep trading and even blow this account than go clean the garage. Oh, but if our internet cuts off all of a sudden, that was probably my wife giving me the hint that it's time to go. So, full disclosure. To get out of the hole, you got to start trying. Yeah, I know. If I actually paid $900 for that advanced chart trader, you weren't supposed to notice, Tom. Yeah, it was a little bit crazy. Definitely not exactly affordable. but we cannot disclose that information on this channel because the wife might be listening. So let's just keep that between us if we could. Yeah, I think the basic chart trader will also work. I think so. we will also keep that between us as well. Yeah, I was planning to use the 800. Got away from me. Got away from me. And we made new lows, folks. We made new lows. Of course we did, because I got stopped out right here. Hello? Oh, brutal day. Absolutely brutal. Absolutely brutal day. But you know what? There's going to be days like this. Actually, yeah, I think there's a 40% off currently. You know, make sure you use my link down below. Yeah, I actually forgot. I think it's still going today. Affordable Indicators does have an additional 40% off if you click on the link below and use the code. Shoot, what is the code? I'm a bad YouTuber. Now I want to epoxy the garage. My wife made me clean the garage this weekend too. Let's go, Matty Matt. Hey, we're gonna clean that garage. Man, my brownie points are gonna be at an all-time high after today. Just saying. We're gonna make that garage sparkle. It's gonna be so organized, you guys, it's gonna be unbelievable. So when I do something, I do it right. That is one thing that I will give myself credit for. Once I do, it might take me a while to commit to doing something, but once I do it, I will do it right. Now Cuban coffee trader. Wait, where? Hey, we got a Cuban coffee trader in the house. Let's go. Wow, here we go. Kind of double bottom, and now we're just making a move higher here off the lows. Did we get to the 140s? No, we did not. Interesting. Maybe we should take one more trade. Just one more. One more trade, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Man, I do like a long here, actually. Ooh. Hmm. One teeny tiny simple little trade. See, there's a veteran trader right there. Just one tiny little trade. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, ain't that the truth? Don't rush losing money. I don't have to rush. I don't have to rush losing money. It comes very natural. It comes very naturally. Oh man. Oh, if I do it and famous last words. I can blow it tomorrow if I want. That's true. I definitely can. Man, now we're right here at this trend line. Just shorting this trend line is the move. I mean, it's been working all day long. Do I do it? Hmm. Man, I want to do it. See, if I'm wrong here, then we might have this might possibly could be a problem. Do I need to do it? Do I need to do it? I did a thing. Everybody needs to close their eyes, pretend like I'm not in a trade. All right. Maybe I need to hide my screen so that people can't see. Come on, just dump, make new lows. Let's move on with our life. Come on, rip it lower. Go, baby, go. You know what? Just fill me. All right. One more trade. Thoughts? One more trade. We did one more. Now it's kind of dumb not to do one more, right? I wasn't willing to risk a breakout. Wasn't willing to risk that. Thoughts are that you should have gone bigger size. True, true. Why did I not go max cons right there? I was barely in any drawdown. See, now I actually really... if we keep trading, and we do not go clean the garage today, there is definitely going to be problems. Hey, Muhammad, thanks for the sub. I appreciate that. Yeah, 19120s. Hard hat trading, I agree. Yeah, I know I was, Mustafa. I was way more patient with my entry. And, I mean, here I can kind of justify my entry, but I shouldn't be entering here when we're this far away from the EMA. It's just, the odds are, it's just not good odds. And then same with this. Should have been more patient. Of course. Of course. All right, let's see if this is going to flush it. Yeah, I know. I know, DL. I've been watching that right here. This 140 is, I mean, it's definitely an interesting level. If we flush the 140 right here, I mean, I don't know. We could be in for a lot bigger move yet this afternoon, which is, I mean, I kind of want to keep trading, but uh-oh, I just got a text. Uh-oh. Okay, there it was. We did touch that 140. That was my profit target right here. and we got stopped out by a couple ticks, and now we would have hit the target. I probably wouldn't have held, but I mean, it's crazy. That is just absolutely crazy how we've gotten stopped out today. To think we went short on this kind of market, on this kind of trending short day, and we have $1,500 loss. Crazy. Yeah, the 114, the 120s are the next kind of level. I mean, as long as this EMA holds, like, I guess we just keep going with it. We might have to take some garage cleaning trades today. Garage cleaning trades would be where I enter my trade, I go up and clean the garage for 20, 30 minutes, and then I come back and check on it. Okay, now we're testing that EMA again. Okay, we're making a move above the EMA here. A couple times we've done it. So, I mean, this is almost a double bottom here. We took out the 140 level, but still no trade for you today, UCLA. Hey, good job on being patient. All right, let's see if we get above this 180 level. Yep, there it goes, 185s. Okay, this is interesting. Wow. Okay, this is like the first actual big move here where we actually, this is starting to look interesting for a long. Okay, now we're at the 200s. Wow. Pretty big rip higher here. All right. Hey, took the long off the 160s. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. All right. This might be a grind higher. A lot of times, like this time of the day, we do get some of these slow grinds higher. If we pull back to this 180, maybe I take my first long of the day. Okay, here we are down to the 180s. This looks dangerous, but this is kind of where this 175, 180 level. This looks kind of scary. Man, oh man, do I do it? And I missed it. And I missed it. And I missed it. And we gotta wait. It's now looking like a short again. Crazy. Might just be a little overshoot of the EMA here and we continue lower. Wow. He almost talked me into taking a short here, but yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna do it. Did you just have to do the Apex video? Just tuned in. Sorry if you already answered this. Yeah, I've been asked about 20 times. No, I have not done a video. I've not been asked to do a video because I haven't requested a payout in about a month. I just requested a payout though, so I might get asked to do a video here in 14 days. I guess we'll find out. Stay tuned, I guess. Wow, look at this. It's just crazy. Like it's gonna just go overshoot the EMA and right back down to test the lows. This does make me want to quit though for the day because I'm not really in the mood to trade this. Once we just start going back and forth across the EMA, don't want to be a part of it. Uh hmm. I guess I think I'm gonna call it here. Like if I want to go long here, if this doesn't make a new low, then I do like a long. But I guess we can wait, see if we make a new low. If we make a new low, then I'm kind of over it. If we don't, I might look for a long entry. No, it's time to go clean the garage now. Pray for me. I do not like garage cleaning, but sometimes I do things I don't like. Yeah, I agree, Joseph. It looks like it's just ranging, and I thought maybe the Bulls have a chance here, but yeah, just not really. Live stream from the garage. I would be embarrassed. Our garage looks horrific. All right, this is where I would get in. This might have been a fake out. If we get faked out here, it's a good way to end the stream, I guess. Oh, and we're getting faked out immediately. Rip. Oh, man. Rip it. Rip it. One. Yeah, this is not looking good. I was one tick close to getting this target filled and it didn't hit. Feels bad. Just let's just get it over with, market. Go ahead. Let's just get it over with. Ah. Rip it now. Come on. You have got to be kidding me. It's not going to do it. All right, we're going to get stopped out here. I can feel it. It just can't get above the EMA all of a sudden. There it is. All right, guys, I guess we tried. All right, guys, I'm going to call it there. Oh, just took an L. Big L day. Except we do have another account across the payout threshold, so that is a good thing. We're gonna focus on the good instead of the bad. Just not my kind of day. All right, I guess it's time to go clean the garage. Take care, everybody. I appreciate everyone stopping in. Hit that like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we'll be back tomorrow, and we're going to have our work cut out to recover this account. But I'm up for it. All right, everybody. Take care, and God bless.